Guys, to make this chicken sandwich, you're going to need about 2 cups of chicken breast, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, 1 avocado. You're going to need some chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon of butter, a couple of cloves of garlic. I've got some oregano. You can use any herb of your choice, about 1/4 tablespoon of diced onion, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. We're going to need 4 slices of bread, buttered on both sides. You will need a frying pan, obviously, to cook this off, and a sandwich toaster. If you don't have a sandwich toaster, you can do it all in the frying pan. Don't worry about the sandwich toaster if you don't have one. And, oh, hello.
You can't get through Australian sun without Iron Jack.
Okay, let's get cracking on this recipe. I've got my pan on to a medium heat. All right, get the butter in there. Let that melt. Okay, we're going to toss in the onion, followed by the mushrooms. I'm going to toss in my garlic. Now, the herb of your choice, whatever. I've got oregano here. You can use fresh basil or dill or anything you like, really. Toss in your chicken. Fresh parsley. Just let that cook out. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Just cook it out gently. Now, I do apologise, I did forget to mention you can add some milk to this, or cream, probably about 1/2 cup. Cream would be great, or coconut milk, or lactose-free milk if that's what you like. You'll see it starting to thicken up, but you don't want to sort of boil it too much, because otherwise the chicken gets really chewy and horrible. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat down now. Actually, I'm going to turn it right off. Okay, while our filling is cooling down slightly, I've got my bread, which I've buttered on both sides. I'm just going to place them onto my sandwich toaster here to get nice and toasty. So let's just toast them for a little bit. Get our filling on. Okay, now lid on and just close it over. Now, because we've already toasted one side previously, I want to flip it over. See how nice and golden brown that is. Gorgeous. And now you will need to use a serrated knife. And it's my wife's birthday today. This is why I'm making these. Some fanned avocado on the top. Birthday sandwich for my wife. Said I was going to make something nice for her, and she loved this sandwich the first time I did it, so I thought I'd do it again. You can add cheese, but I think it overpowers the mushrooms. Guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Stay safe. So I'm allowed to taste this one now because the birthday one has already gone to the birthday girl. You do need a knife and fork, guys. This is bloody delicious. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notifications when I upload a video. Guys, stay safe. Have a wonderful week. I'll see you next week. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karen. Happy birthday to you.